Let's take a look at a couple of Chevy Impalas, one of the best-selling GM models of all time. We're going to take a look at this 1962 Chevy Impala, and then we're going to take a look at a 1964 model. 1961 through 1964 would be the third generation for the Chevy Impala, and it was number one in sales among automakers. It was restyled on the full-size B-body platform the same year the Super Sport package debuted, the 1961 model year. It was available on any model in the lineup, including two-door convertible, two-door sport coupe, two-door sedan, four-door sport sedan, and even station wagons. Engine options being a 230 cubic inch 3.8 liter turbo thrift inline 6, a 235 cubic inch 3.9 liter inline 6. Let's start her up, see how she sounds. A 283 cubic inch 4.6 liter V8, and a 327 cubic inch 5.4 liter V8. The big block's 348 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8, 409 cubic inch 6.7 liter V8, made famous by the Beach Boys' 409 single, and the 427 cubic inch 7 liter V8 was available with the SS package. A special rare option, RPO code Z11, got you a model made for NASCAR and drag racers. It had a 427 cubic inch 7 liter V8 with a 13 to 5 to 1 compression ratio that produced over 500 horsepower. They had all aluminum body parts and a Cal induction air intake system. The 1964 Chevy Impala is a very popular model among the lowrider community. The West Coast is the first thing that comes to my mind when I hear 1964 Chevy Impala. They was restyled with a more softer, rounded look than the previous models. They are just sleek and beautiful. This would be the same year the Super Sport option would get its own nameplate.